What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.027, down up 2.8 on the day, sitting at market cap of 181 million. Wow, 24-hour volume all the way down to 42 million. Let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So we talked about in the previous video, and we've been covering in the Discord, looking at this as a leading diagonal. So we're starting to bounce here. So what I'm looking at is that we're going through an A, this was a B, wave C correction. And within a wave C is 5 waves. So potentially we've already completed a wave 1. There's a 5-wave move right here into a wave 1. You'd look for a wave 2 pullback, push up in a wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to push you up in between 0.028 and 0.031, which is typical of a wave 2 in between the 0.5 and the 0.786 on the Fibonacci. So in the short term, if we are topping out in a 5-wave move, of course it can continue. But if we were to see a rejection here and we start to retrace, then you would look for a bounce in between the 0.5 and the 0.786. which is currently coming in between 0.025 and 0.024 on the Fibonacci. See a wave 2 pullback and then push up in a wave 3. That's what I'm looking at right now for the price of Gala Games. Of course, we can just continue to break out, just telling us that this 5-wave move isn't complete yet. We have a beautiful double bottom pattern here, as you can see. So that breakout target measured move would take you right up to that wave 2 pullback zone. Just gotta love how that works. Would take you up to 0.028. Now looking on the 4-hour time frame, we broke down from an ascending triangle, we hit the target and we bounced back up. So if we can get back above the EMAs and we hold them as support, that's when you can see a push back up to retest this downsloping resistance of the falling wedge, which is currently coming in at about 0.030, and then in my opinion get rejected and continue to come down. That's what the market does. It works in waves. It comes down, it bounces, gets rejected, comes down, creates a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, until you see a trend reversal. All right, gang? So that's what we're looking at for the price of Gala Games. I think that's basically it for this update. We've been making some beautifully accurate calls here on the channel and in the Discord. So if you appreciate that, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. So this is what I'm looking at right now, potentially seeing a pullback into this yellow box in between 0.024 and 0.025. But if we do continue to break out here, all it means is that the 5-wave move is not complete. And you could see a potential breakout to the upside for the price of Gala Games with a measured move from this beautiful double bottom pattern that will take you all the way up to 0.028. Make sure to sign up to Bybit or BitKit, up to $30,000 in bonuses on Bybit. Make your first deposit and email me your sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto at the 10 USD membership. My trade signals, we're currently in a BTC long, which is in profits, recently locked in gains on a Bitcoin short. Early access to my analysis that can be very helpful with your trading. You can see what I'm doing with my own trades. I drop signals for my positions. You can see what I'm doing with my HODL all plays. Price of a Big Mac, 10 bucks a month. Really can't beat it. And that's basically it. I'll see you in the next one. Smash that like button, subscribe. All right, much love. Take care.